Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting way to make some great money online. I'm going to show you 9 different YouTube niches in which you can start your YouTube channel and you don't need to show your face, and you can probably make more money as compared to other YouTubers who are showing their face on YouTube, and still you can make more money as compared to them without showing your face. All you need is simple editing skills, a little bit of editing skills. I'm not saying that you need to do any extraordinary editing skills to make this type of YouTube channel or make this type of YouTube content, but still you can make a ton of money with this. So now let's get started into the video. Let me show you that 9 different niches on which you can make a YouTube channel without showing your face, and you can make a ton of money online. So now let's get started into the content. Okay, so let's get into the content, and let me show you the first niche or category. So the first type of YouTube channel which you can open without showing any of your face is 5-minute crafts. Okay, so you have seen this YouTube channel. Probably this YouTube channel gets millions and millions of views. You can see it's 279 million views. Just imagine 279 million views without showing your face. Okay, all you need is a bright background which you can get from Walmart, and all you need to do is place it on a table, and all you need to do is go to Google, find some of the life hacks which you can do with the things which are available at your home. So you didn't need to buy any stuff from outside. Okay, you just have so many things at your home. They are just probably using some scissors or some threads and all that stuff and making this life hacks. So all you need to do is go to Google and search for 5 to 10 life hacks. Just film yourself just doing this simple stuff, and you can really make this type of YouTube channels work for you, and you can really make a lot of money. Once you have gained some followers, what you can do is you can hire someone who will create this type of videos for you, and then you can just upload those videos to your YouTube channel and make a ton of money out of it. And that's something which is really awesome about this type of YouTube channels. As well as you can hire someone on fiverr.com who will do this type of videos for you, and you can start making money with this type of very simple videos. So this is the first channel which I highly suggest without showing any of face. No need to give any voiceovers, no need to write any video scripts, but still you can start this type of YouTube channel and make a ton of money just with this YouTube channels. The second type of YouTube channels which I would like to show you is this. Okay, once a minute, is this. Okay, so you can see that what this channel does is that all they are doing is that they are preparing this different type of woodworking projects. Okay, how to build this proxy table and all this stuff. Okay, so what is doing is some person is creating some of the woodworking projects, and one other person is just recording it into a video, and they are probably uploading this thing to their YouTube channel. Okay, so what you can do is you can just go to your local area, find someone who does this type of woodworking projects. All you need to do is make a partnership with him, and you just have to tell him that whatever you are doing, whatever projects you are making, I would like to film you, and I will give you a part of revenue of whatever I earn from this. Okay, so this is a win-win situation, because he is also going to get paid because he is allowing you to record his video, as well as you are also gonna paid because you are going to upload this videos to your YouTube channel, and you are gonna make a ton of money with this, because this type of channels gets a tons of views. Okay, so this is the second type of YouTube channel which you can make, and you can just get in partnership with someone who makes this woodworking things, and definitely you can just make a ton of money uploading this very simple videos on your YouTube channel. Okay, now the third is top 10 videos. The top 10 videos were there, they are now, and they will remain for most of the very long period of time. So you can see these videos are money making machines. All the thing that they are just having some stock videos, and they are just telling about something about a top 10 list. For example, top 10 richest people in the world, top 10 scary urban legends, and all this very simple content. You can also make this type of content, write it yourself, and all you need to do is have some images into your videos, okay, and you can just make a compilation of those 10 images and then just tell about this top 10 facts into your YouTube channel, and you can just make this type of videos and upload this. Because this type of videos get a ton of views, your channels are gonna grow really very fast and you can very fast start making a lot of money. All you need to do is have some voiceover, because it's a requirement in this type of YouTube channels. So that's something which you need to do, but you are already having a script, you have written a very simple script. All you need to do is narrate it, okay. The third type of YouTube channel which you can do is this YouTube channel does very simple thing. It just has 2 to 3 images into its videos and it narrates a scary story. And you can also make this type of YouTube channel and make a ton of money out of it, because all you need to do is have some scary story images as a compilation into a video, and all you need to do is narrate the scary story. You can hire people on Fiverr who will write scary stories for you, and all you need to do is just read those scary stories into a mic. Okay, you don't even need a mic, you can just record voiceovers with your smartphone, okay. And then you can just use a video editing software just like KineMaster, which is available on the smartphone, and make this type of very simple videos, and you can just do it and start making some money, because you have seen that it's got 5 million subscribers and it's making a ton of money just by doing this very simple videos. The next is animal facts. So if you are interested in animals, and a lot of people are, then you can just make this type of YouTube channels. All you need to do is talk about animal facts. Or when you go to Google and search about dog facts, then you can find a ton of facts about dogs, and all you need to do is just make a video regarding those facts, okay. So there are a lot of facts, facts about German Shepherd, facts about you can see this type of videos are also really very popular, which is Golden Retriever versus Rottweiler. You can see Golden Retriever versus German Shepherd. So you can make a ton of videos just like this, and you can also make a ton of money with this. All you need to do is have some interest in animals, and if you are interested in this type of things, because a lot of people are, then you can make this type of content and make a killing, because they are just having some of the stock footage which they are using in this videos, and they are making this type of very simple videos and making a ton of money out of it. And you can also sell affiliate products which are related to animals. You can find those products on Amazon, as well as you can also find on ClickBank, okay. So you can promote those products also and make some extra money just by doing this very simple videos. The next niche, which this is one of my favorites because it pays a lot of money. Yeah, this type of YouTube niche pays a lot of money because it's in a luxury or business niche, okay. And this type of there are a ton of advertisers who want to advertise their ads on this type of videos, because those people who are interested in making money are watching this type of videos, and that's the reason why you are gonna get paid a very high CPM for this type of YouTube channel, okay. So you can check out this channel, which is Mr. Luxury, as well as there is another channel just like this, which is known as alix.com, okay. What they do is that they make videos about top 15 business tips, or they just talk about the richest man in Africa and all these very simple things, and they make a ton of money just by making this very simple videos. So you can also do this type of videos, and even though this channel may not get tons of views, but still you are gonna make tons of money with this type of YouTube channel, because this type of YouTube channel is a high CPM niche. So you are gonna get more money per 1,000 views for this type of YouTube channel. So this can be one of your go-to channel in which you can make content. All you need to do is have some voiceovers, okay. You can do it yourself, or you can hire someone who will give you voiceovers. Now the next is this meditation music, okay. So you can make meditation music, but there is one more aspect to it, and that is guided meditation. All they do is just tell people to pay attention to their eyes, pay attention to the hands, pay attention to their whole body and all that. This is known as guided meditation. You can find a ton of scripts of guided meditation on YouTube. All you need to do is read those scripts, record yourself, place a picture in the background, and just narrate the entire script, okay. They are long scripts, and it may take an hour or 30 to 50 minute scripts. All you need to do is read them slowly, okay, line by line, and you can make this type of very simple guided meditation videos, and this type of videos can make you a ton of money, because this type of videos get a ton of views. You can just see that how many views these videos are getting, and that's the reason why you can make this type of YouTube channel without showing your face and make a ton of money. The next YouTube channel which I'm going to show you is this quiz. Okay, so there are very simple quizzes which are there in this YouTube videos, and probably in most of the videos these people are not even giving any voiceovers. Yes, they are not even giving any voiceovers. All they are doing is that putting this simple scripts, okay, putting this very simple quizzes. All you need to do is go to Google, search for some funny quiz, and you can see there are a lot of questions which will be asked, and all you need to do is just make a video about asking those questions to people. Okay, and you can see this type of channels and videos get a ton of views, but you need to do a little bit of research that and even if you give a voiceover in this type of channels, that would be an extra benefit for you, because if you are giving a voiceover, there is a huge chance that people will connect more with you and you will make more money. So that's something which you should do, and you can make this type of videos really very easily. It's not at all difficult. Okay, and the next opportunity which I'm telling, and that is Tech Zone. This YouTube channel is really insane, because all it uploads is very simple videos about the best gadgets you can find on Amazon, okay, or funny gadgets you can find on Amazon, or you can see this very simple things of how fasted or how hoverboards in the world. All they are doing is that uploading this, making a compilation of this type of things, okay, and they are uploading those to YouTube, and they are providing Amazon affiliate links of this particular product and the description, and they are probably making a ton of money with Amazon affiliates, as well as they are getting a ton of views on these channels, and these channels are monetized, and that's the reason they are making a ton of money with this. As well as these channels are really awesome, because they are just having very simple voiceovers. They are just talking about some features of the product, and that's the voiceover, and that's it, and they are making a ton of money. You can see it's got 2.56 million subscribers, and one more thing, this is very high CPM niche, so you are gonna make more money per 1,000 views with this YouTube channel. So that's the reason why you should make this type of content and make a ton of money. So if you got some value out of this video, and if you are interested in make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, all this type of things, do press the subscribe button, okay, under this video, as well as do press the bell notifications, so that I will send you a notification every time I upload this type of awesome videos for you, with which you can make a ton of money. Okay, that's the reason why I have created this channel. I just want to provide you free value without selling any of the expensive courses to you, because I want you to make money online. We'll see you in the next video. You can also follow us on Instagram, like is there in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.